Hey, I've got the Fanttik Fold V10 Ultra Deluxe. We're gonna go ahead and empty it right here. I can always pick it back up, but you're just gonna pull down right here, look. And everything's just gonna come right into a pile. And that's the pile that we just picked up. So not only am I absolutely loving the adjustability, I'm loving the suction power. It's extremely powerful. No issues there. I'm also loving the fact that this is so easy to detach and clean. Just one little click of the button. This base you don't have to do anything with. So if you're gonna clean this, this is all that you have to worry about. It's literally twist and pull, shake this out, pull this little filter out, dust it off, blow it off, pop the filter back in, pop this back in, twist it, line it up, click it, and you're up and running. Literally 30 seconds to get this thing cleaned up. And I recommend doing that if you're going through a heavy cleaning and you got a lot of fine particles and dust. This thing just sits in there so easy, no big deal. Easy. I love the design. Not only that, it looks cool, it's aesthetically pleasing, but the power on this thing and the adjustability, 10 out of 10 in my book. This bristle attachment goes here. This bristle attachment goes here. All of our attachments, including the vacuum, all connected to the base. Probably have seen the Fanttik brand all over other social media channels. They've become really popular and I can see why. I'm really glad that I have this now. Definitely going to be a regular for us, so definitely pick it up, check it out. I think you'll like it. That's my quick review and thanks for watching.